Мейн чисто.
Двое, они трое, токсик Б. И бомба там же.
Взял оружие.
Один в ангаре.
Вот,
Бомба.
ты взял его. Сука, я косой. Сука, я растерялся, блин, я вообще не думал, что у меня получится взять вебку.
Просто
Хорош.
пипец. Быстрее.
За что меня-то? Я же даже не бил никого.
So, hopefully you found this trick very interesting and are already making plans how to trick your friends with this April Fool's video. But on a serious note, while this will not grant you a rifle during a pistol round, there is an easy way to get great free skins for the weapons. Go to the sponsor of this video, skinsilo.com, where you can earn Counter-Strike Go skins by performing simple tasks, like watching a video, or downloading an app or filling out a survey. There is a great variety of skins available there, starting from cheap and easy to get ones, case keys, and all the way up to higher tier items. Withdrawals are fully automated and instant, and the items have no trading restrictions. Get some quick credits by just providing your email or joining the Steam group. Invite other people and earn part of what they earn. And use someone else's referral code, like HSTOP for example. If you get to the top of the leaderboards, you will get even more rewards every week. So head over to skinsilo.com and check it out yourself.